Thank you for the surprise. And I love you. I love you.
Boses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman nung iyo ako palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap
Sige po, ma'am, mamaya alamin natin. Sa ngayon po, ma'am, dahil kaarawan niyo po, relax and enjoy this moment. Happy birthday! Yes. At dahil kaarawan niyo, ma'am, meron po kayong birthday. Happy birthday. Daddy ko, about this. At dahil kaarawan niyo, ma'am, meron po kayong birthday cake. Pero bago niyo, ma'am, i-blow, kantahan pa lang po namin ang birthday song. I have fire right in front of me. Okay, we will sing happy birthday to your mom. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mom,
Make a wish and blow it over the candle.
Okay, make a wish.
Make a wish.
Happy birthday! Yes! May nakasulat ma'am sa cake. Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you. Any message to your mom? Any message to your mom? You have something to say to your mom's birthday?
Yes, I think so.
What you can say?
Later.
At dahil karoon niyo, mama, meron po kayo flower bouquet. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. You have your message for your mom.
You can read it.
Mommy, I hope you will have what I really love what's inside. Thinking you are the Miss Universe. I hope you like your surprises with me. I wish everything and other. I hope you have lots of fun on your birthday. Your daughter
Happy birthday.
And dear Mommy, thank you for all the love you giving to me. Thank you for giving me food, water, everything. I love you. Thank you for being the best mommy in the world.
Wow, so sweet. Thank you. Sister, sir, any message for Mom Lucy? Oh, yeah, sister, yeah, po sa surprise ko. Yung lista
Can I
na po.
say, is there anything?
I will read it.
Okay.
My amazing wife.
Oh my God.
I don't say it enough, but I want you to know you're the heart of our home and make our lives glow. From the meals that you cook, to the way that you care, the love that you give is always right there. I see how you work through the stress and the tired. Your strength for our kids is what keeps me inspired. You handle the chores and the clothes on the line, making sure that our world is organized and fun. You never ask for much for things that are grand, you just give us your heart and a helping hand. Whether we're home or we just hit the road, you're the one who helps lighten our family's load. This is Mommy's birthday. I appreciate you. Period. It's simple and true. My favorite part of my life is this. Happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you.
Kamusta, ma'am? Na-surprise mo ba? Kamusta ang pakiramdam? Okay, any message to your family, especially for sure?
Thank you for the surprise. And I love you. I love you.
Sige po, kung wala na pong babae. Sabi naman lang po kung bumati sa isa. Sa'yo po, Ma'am Nikki. Binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness in your life. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday po. And lastly po sa aming sender kay Sir Joshua, in behalf of Metro Manila Gift Shop and Delivery, Sir, lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat. Kasi kami po ang iyong napili upang kayo din po itong surprise para po sa karawan ni Ma'am Nikki. Ipagpatuloy lang po magmamahal sa isa't isa at lagi po kayo mag-ingat, Sir. God bless po sa'yo. Sa'yo po ulit, Ma'am. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, Ma'am.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman nung